Alright, scrappers. Today, I'm scrapping this. There's a little heating pad. This one says CVS Pharmacy on it. When you take a whiff of this thing, it just smells like it gave up the blue smoke. So I'm expecting to see, you know, some burnt components in there. I've never scrapped one of these before. I'm going to start by getting rid of the gross part. Oh, what's that? Looks like the switch to it. That's neat. The switch was in the little sacky thing. Alright. Never scrapped one of these, so let's get into it. Yeah, this thing just reeks like burnt components. I don't see anything fried on this side. These tamper-resistant screws, it looks like. Definitely. Seeing some gold contacts on this. I don't know why they'd use gold on this kind of circuit board. There we go. Can't get them out. Rip them out. Can't take it apart, break it apart. Right? Got some garbage. Oh yeah, there it is. Burnt. She's cooked. She gave up the blue smoke, definitely. These don't really look like gold contacts. It's green on both sides. Not seeing anything too yummy on here except for these gold terminals. I'm going to throw this in with my green board. Even though I should probably... Actually, I think I'm going to save this and put this in my gold bearing boards. And I'll sell this on Board Sort someday. Scrapyard doesn't get the good boards. Because you see that? Looks like gold plating. It's only on the tips though. So there's not a ton of gold here. I've seen some boards where when you scratch off the silk screening, everything's gold plated underneath the silk screening. But not on this board. Yeah, I'm going to call this just green board. Green on both sides. And I have never... Turn the scale on. Never scrapped one of these. So I have no idea what makes them get hot. And I am definitely coming down with something. So we got our brass plug-ins. You don't need to cut these off. You can pull these out. And then you get your copper and your brass. We got some brass and some copper. Got some number 2 insulated. And what's inside of this thing? Ooh! Look at that. It's kind of interesting. Am I going to be able to call all of this number 2 insulated? I think so. Some more number 2 insulated. Kind of sucks that they stitched it all in. I'm getting ready to just call this whole thing copper bearing. Let me see if I got a razor knife. A razor blade here. Let's see if it's worth the little bit of extra time it'll take. No, not worth the extra time to me. So I'll get as much as I can, and I'll throw the rest in the copper bearing bucket. Clean it up a little bit. Oh, definitely coming down with something. I wonder if I can cut it here and pull. That's not going to work. All right, I'm going to call it quits here. Let's see what we got. Half a pound of scrap. So, we have a little over 1/4 pound of number 2 insulated. This green board doesn't even really register. 1/2 ounce. Brass doesn't register. And we got some copper bearing. 2 ounces of copper bearing. So that wasn't too bad. A few minutes worth of work. Make a little extra change. It all adds up. People think I'm crazy. So just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.